Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel and thank you for regularly revisiting. If you are new to my channel, we have a dedicated Telegram group for our subscribers where we discuss about possible trading opportunities and clarify queries on trading ideas. There are lots of fake Telegram groups, so please join our Telegram group only through the link placed in the description section, or you can scan the QR code placed in the screen. Let us start with the analysis. Today in this video, we'll do the daily technical analysis in gold. I'm in daily time frame. Here when we notice the price action in daily time frame, this resistance level are still holding. And on the downside when we notice, this is going to be the support level and we can see a consolidation happening in this currency pair in daily time frame. And currently when we notice the support and resistance level, this is going to be the very strong support level because we have seen the currency pair taking support several times at these levels over here, and this level and these levels are going to be very strong resistance levels because again it has taken resistance at these levels earlier also. And when we look at the current price action, it is under a consolidation in this daily time frame. You can say that there is no direction in this currency pairs, but if it starts consolidating within this area, we can expect a bullish trend to start. But for now, there is no direction in this currency pair. It is trading within this range over here. I have drawn a support line over here. Let's see if it breaks this level and comes down, or it should break this resistance level which is around 1811 and start its bullish trend. Presently, there is no direction in this currency pair when we do the analysis from daily time frame. Let us do the analysis in 4 hours time frame. So I am in 4 hours time frame now. The same support line which was drawn in the daily time frame, I have drawn it as a channel pattern, and this is going to be acting as a support for the present price action. Let us see how price action, whether it's going to break this support level or whether we are going to see any sort of consolidation within this range over here. But looking at the current price action in 4 hours time frame also, I don't see any direction in the market. It is sort of consolidating within this level for now. It has formed a very nice double top pattern and then it has completed its double top pattern. So it is under a consolidation, and only when it breaks this support or resistance level, the directional momentum will start. So pattern wise, when we look at the price action, I have compared with the earlier price actions. We can draw support line from here and take it till here, and when we draw a channel pattern, we can notice that the price has taken support over here, again support over here, and at this point it has broken and fell further. So I'm expecting similar thing. It has taken support over here. This was the point where it started its uptrend and it has taken support over here. I'm expecting maybe there is more chances for it to break the support level and test this level over here, which is around 1728. Since I don't see any momentum on the uptrend, maybe there could be a chance that it can break this support level and fall further. When we compare the price action with the previous price action, this is what my assumption is, because it has formed a same double top pattern and has come here and a consolidation has happened, again gone up, but it couldn't break this resistance, again consolidated and started, again it broke to the bottom level. Presently also it has formed a very nice double top pattern and it has come here and it is currently trying to take support over here and a consolidation is going on. Maybe we can see a break on the downside if the bullish trend doesn't start. Let us see how price action goes today. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame and mark the trading ranges for today. So from 4 hours time frame, we understand that current price action is under consolidation. The present resistance is at 1812 and support is going to be around 1766. It is trading within this support and resistance level and sort of consolidating for now. Let us mark the trading ranges within this resistance and support levels. Presently, I have drawn a channel pattern. If it respects this channel pattern, we can expect a upside movement for now. This is going to be the support. Currently, the price action is testing this support level. Next level of resistance is going to be here, and next resistance is going to be at this level here, and next resistance is going to be over here, and this is going to be the topmost resistance. when we compare the price action in the channel pattern. I am expecting the currency pair to respect this channel pattern and continue its bullish trend. Let us see how price action goes for today. So within this channel pattern, it is in a bullish trend. Please mark these ranges in your chart also and decide your entry and exit based on the support and resistance levels in the chart. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.